This video will guide you through accessing the UAOLR online learning resource account through your United Association's local organization training center. First thing you have to do is contact your training center coordinator or training director, request to be added as a student. One specific thing you'll need to add to the request is that you need access to the technology portal. So I'm going to go ahead and log in right now. Upon logging in, you'll notice that I'm listed as an instructor. You'll be listed as a student. You'll scroll down and locate the technology for the piping industry. Selecting that will open up that tab. And the second section that I'm showing here is the Autodesk licenses Learn at Home. If your Autodesk licenses for the training center are approved and they're already an organization within that, then you should be able to access the Learn at Home licenses through your local. If they are not, then you can reach out to our organization. Simply send me an email at heypat@moxiesbdc.com and we can hook you up with some of our membership training Learn at Home licenses. When you select the Learn at Home license, it will open the ThinkEDU portal. There's an option at the very bottom to request more information or order licenses. When you select the order licenses, it will open a new tab. The new tab is ThinkEDU's Union page. That also allows you to check out some of the hardware and software that they offer outside of the Autodesk stuff. One of them is discounted Windows laptops, Mac laptops. If you're doing Autodesk related content, I would stay away from the Chromebook simply because the Autodesk software doesn't work on Chromebook. But they also have desktops and all-in-ones. So feel free to take a look at that. As you scroll down on the Union store, you will see featured products. You should, by going through the portal from the UAOLR, see a zero value for each of the softwares. Now, the software that you can download is what is approved for the training center, and some training centers do not teach certain things. Therefore, you will need to kind of verify what's allowed or provisioned for you. Again, if your local does not have access to this content, you may skip this step and reach out to us directly, and we can set you up with the Learn at Home license for the class that you're taking through Content Origin. When you select a license or one of the software, we'll pick Revit for instance, it will open up the page. You can skip the Bitdefender Microsoft Office Professional if you choose. Those are cost based and not included in the Autodesk Learn at Home license free bundle. When you hit Add to Cart, it will take you to a payment page. I'll hit Close. I will hit No Thanks. I will hit -1 because I had already done this step. So now I'm down to one license and I'm going to skip all the other stuff. And I'm going to come down here to check out if that's all I'm going to do. If I want, I can close this, scroll up, and up here, click Home. It will take me back to the previous page, and I can select a different software, add the one license, skip that step, no thanks, and you'll notice 2 items are in the cart, and I can keep going. When I check out, it takes me to this page, and this is where a lot of people get stuck. You'll need to provide your union affiliation, your membership ID, and the local number that you're a part of. Again, this is number. You'll have verify membership. If you get prompted with a notification that is not valid, you may email the ThinkEDU company to expedite that. But Typically, within 24 hours, you're going to get an email and it says, "We couldn't validate your information. Please provide an image of your UA book." And and that's the front side of your UA card showing your name, your 7-digit book number, and the name of the local that you're affiliated with. You'll fill out the rest of your billing information. However, there's no payment information required. So your billing information is simply your personal information, your address. You can save it for faster checkout, and then your school name or local name. For instance, Arizona Pipe Trades Apprenticeship is the training center name, but the local is 469. So, this is one example. When you hit complete order, then that's where it'll send off the email and say, "Hey, you didn't get verified. Please respond with your book number." And then you'll respond back to that email with the list of the classes or the list of the software that you're trying to take, and the copy of your card. Upon reply, they will grant you access to the licenses you requested. So I do recommend making sure everything is listed here, uh, just to facilitate that, that everything is done all at once. When this is all done, you'll have the free licenses issued to you, and then you can go to your Autodesk portal. If you need to download specific years, you should have access under that same email address. And mine's going to look a little bit different because I'm in my company's email address and we already have licenses. But you click on the little silhouette in the top corner and you click all products and services, and it'll take you to this page. And if I go down to um, the software that they issued me, AutoCAD, I have a year, pick the year, the version, which is only Windows 64-bit, English, and then I can either install or I can download. Now, if I download it, it's a straight line download, and then I can install it directly from my machine. If I choose the install, make sure you have a really solid, really stable internet connection because it's going to download and install simultaneously, and that could be a little bit of a bear on your internet. And then if the software requires any type of packages, and for that example, I'll go down here to Fabrication Academy P and do the view details. By the way, the year, it does have multiple years, usually the last 4 supported years. Um, and then if you need older versions, you can go down here and ask the assistant for other installers. So we'll do the view details. And you'll notice that for 2025 in the upper left-hand corner, updates are available. There's some updates, but there's also libraries for this software. And so here we can notice the fabrication MEP metric, which we won't use, and then the imperial. And so you close that assistant, and over here to the right hand side, you have download, and you can download that package and install it on your machine, and then you'll have access to the imperial content. And that is essentially everything you need to know about getting access to your UAOLR through the ThinkEDU portal and accessing your Autodesk account to install the applications or add-ons.